In this specific video, we're going to be discussing how to optimize your images to be more search engine friendly. And the reason why you want to do this is simply because the more search engine friendly your images are, the more search engines will know exactly what your images, what your content is all about, and then they'll know how to categorize you on terms of what keyword phrases to rank you on, and it'll actually improve your search engine rank. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Now, before we get started, you need the following. You will need keywords that you want to rank on, images that you have rights to use, and then we'll take both of those and then we'll add it to a WordPress site and optimize them. Now, if you don't already have any images that you can legally use, and by legally, I mean you can't go to Google and just find an image and use it. That would violate copyright law. You will need to go to a site like bigstockphoto.com, find an image that you like, purchase rights to it, which gives you the rights to use it following their license and their guidelines, and then simply add it to a site like a WordPress site. So if I look around Big Stock Photo, you can see that you can get access to really professional images. And it's approximately $1.50 to $2 per image, depending on the size of the image that you get. Now, when you're ready, and you're ready to upload these images, what you need to do now is simply go to your WordPress dashboard and go under posts or pages. In this case, we're going to create a post. So go under post, click on add new. And let's say, for example, that I'm going to write a post on time management. And I'm specifically trying to rank on the keyword, let's say business time management. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that the title has that keyword. Somewhere in the body of the content has that keyword. But since we're talking primarily about the images, that's what I want to focus on. So if you click on add media, we can simply drag and drop the media files here or select the files off the computer. Now, before you upload your images to the WordPress site, I want to make mention that you want to rename the file itself to the keyword. So if you right click the image and click on rename, and rename this to business time management. And make sure that you put hyphens in between the spaces. And now it's time to simply drag and drop it over to here. Now you want to be consistent. So in the title, make sure that you have the keyword that you're trying to rank on, and the caption has to have that keyword. The alt text needs to have that keyword, as well as the description. And once you have done that for the title, the caption, the alt text, and the description, click on Insert into Post. And now we have pretty much optimized the photo to make it search engine friendly. And of course, you can also resize it since it's too big. And there we go. So if you click on publish and I go to the live site, I can see business time management for the post. And then if I highlight the image, you'll notice at the bottom here, the status bar here, that it says business time management for the file name. And we've successfully optimize the image for search engine purposes. And that's it. If you do this to all of your images, then you will make your site more search engine friendly, your content search engine friendly, and it'll just help your ranking overall.